Thank you for your purchase of Kids Evok. This product comes with attractive color options, steering wheel, musical head with sturdy plastic body. You need to follow these steps in order to assemble the product. You will also need a screwdriver and piler to assemble. Step 1. Take the main body. Then, open the battery cap and insert the batteries. Now, close the battery cap with the help of screw. Step 4. Fix steering to steering rod with help of nut and bolt. In the last step, attach the backrest to main body by hand pressing. Your toy's Evok is now ready to use.